In this video, I'm going to show you how to add products in WordPress WooCommerce. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to your WordPress WooCommerce, you want to sign into your account, and then on here where you can see WooCommerce on the left, you want to simply click on that so everything opens up, and then under products, you want to click on products over here, and then it's going to take you to your products page. There we go. And then you want to click on add new products up top over here. Now, once you do that, you can then go ahead and start adding in your product information. First, you have to, of course, give it a name, so the product name. Here, you can give it a product description. You can put in some media. You can add it a contact form. You can add in whatever you want. You can also switch between visual and code over here, so that's completely up to you. Down here is where you can put in your product data, so your general inventory, shipping, linked products, etc. This can all be added down here. And then down here at the bottom, you can add in a short product description. So if you go and hover over this, as you can see, it's going to say that this basically means you have to summarize this product in 1 to 2 short sentences, and then they will show this at the top of the page, okay? Whereas the difference between the short product description and this normal one over here is basically that this one has to be a bit longer. So that's pretty much that. Now, here on the right, you can go ahead and add in your product image. You can set it by clicking here. You can add in product gallery images over here. You can also set categories, so wherever that falls in, you can add a new category. You can add different tags for the product up here. And then here, where you can see brands, you can also add a new brand if you want to. Then you also have the option to either show likes or not show likes. And you can also show sharing buttons or hide sharing buttons, okay? So that's pretty much what this is. You can go ahead and, of course, move this around. As you can see, it's totally customizable. And then whenever you're happy with what you did with the product you added in here, you can go ahead and save it as a draft. You can preview it, or whenever you are ready to publish, you can just go ahead and click on publish over here, and your product will be published. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.